welcome back to the channel, and today you're looking here technical arcade, and I'm going to show you how to download the deal game in the PC for the especially for the Windows 10 guys. Let's begin. You should nothing do. Firstly, only click refresh and nothing problem. Click on store app. Then after you got the app, you scroll down lot got, then you can search here also. I also look at that, scroll down in error. Anybody? Here is the old game. Anybody can see me? Where is that? I don't get it. Nah, it's not getting now. I'm gonna search here. What's the full name? Okay, scroll down. Hey yo, the Yani. You click on there. Okay, now guys, you are here, and you looking the dual game. I have already downloaded, guys. So I want to show you how to download, guys. You click on here's like here is the game. In dual game, you click on install. Okay, you look here, install. You can only click install. After clicking, guys, the main thing. After clicking, you can't take him on the desktop. You can play from here also, and here in this game you want install the setup, direct open it. Okay guys, today for this much only. Bye bye, and do not forget to subscribe the channel, and do not forget to like also. Bye bye guys.